Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. Yes, I took a break and now I'm finally back. You can see me glowing, definitely. Anyway, so today I'm gonna create this beautiful look with 3 lip option, definitely. This is for Valentine's Day, and also there's a news. Yes, of course, I have a news for you. So Amazon is having their sale going on right now. This is absolutely for Valentine's Day, of course. You can definitely check it out. I'm going to mention the link down below. So today I'm going to create this stunning eye look with just minimum products, and I'm gonna show 3 lip option which are affordable, of course. So if you guys are interested to know how I create this look and what are the products I have used, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the primer, and today I'm using the Blue Heaven Flawless Makeup Primer. So this is a silicone based primer and it is going to minimize the pores I have. So if you have large pores, you can definitely use it. So moving on to my foundation, I will be using the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Foundation. This is my absolute favorite foundation. The shade I use is 06 Sand Beige, yes, right? And I'm gonna mix a little bit of this Take a Glow Illuminating Primer by Mars Cosmetics. So I'm going to mix both of them and apply it on my face. It will give you that really nice sheen and glow. So I'm taking a brush to blend out this. I'm just going to pat it. Alright, now for concealer, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Now I'm going to take a little bit just on the inner corner and the outer corner. Just a little bit, not too much. And little bit around my mouth, chin, little bit on the nose and on the forehead, and then just blend it. Alright, now to set my under eyes, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. The shade I use is number 20. Now it's time to contour, blush and highlight, and for that I will be using the Sugar Contour de Force face palette, and the shade I'm using is 01 Subtle Summit. It's my favorite and you can see how much I've used this product. I love it. So let's just begin with the contour first. Applying this blush on my cheeks and a little bit on the nose as well. And lastly, I'm going to use the same highlighter on the highest points of my face. It's a beautiful highlighter, as you can see. It just melts into the skin. So now I'm gonna do my brows off camera, but let me show you what product I will be using. I will be using the PAC Super Brow Cream, and the shade I'm going to use is 03. Alright, so I'm back with my brows done, and I really like my brows today. I think they look very good. So moving on to my eye makeup, I will be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is the limited edition palette. It's a 4-quad kind of a palette. I've used this before so many times, but I want to do a very stunning eyes, not too much obviously, because a lot of you guys don't like wearing too much eye makeup, but still I'm gonna do a very minimum look that will go beautifully with all the outfits you're gonna wear. I'm gonna first start with this and this shade. I'm gonna mix both of them and apply it on my crease very lightly. You don't have to be like बहुत पिगमेंटेशन चाहिए ऐसा वैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Just take a little bit and blend it very lightly, just like a windshield motion and little bit of circular motion. Just blend it on the crease and also take it on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take this shade and apply it all over my eyelid, and after that I'm gonna take a little bit of glitter and just apply. So I'm using a shader brush to apply this on my eyelid. And for the glitter, I would like to go with the Swiss Beauty liquid glitter. The shade I'm using is 02 Diamond Dust. So I'm gonna take this on my eye and then blend it with the brush. So this is how the eye has turned out. Now for mascara, I will be using the Mars Cosmetics mascara. This is very good, by the way. It's very cheap, very affordable, but the quality is amazing. And also the wand is so big. Of course, I'm going to apply some falsies, but if you want to avoid it, you can use 2 to 3 layers of mascara and it will give you that volume lashes, but I'm going to do it anyway. So for lipstick, I have few options, but before that, I'm going to complete my eye look with some falsies and I will be right back. So eyes are done. Now let's move on to the lipstick. I'm gonna start with nude, then pink, and then red. Of course, you can select whatever you like. I'm giving you options and also showing you that this eye look will look good with any outfit, any lipstick. Yeah. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go is with the nude. It's not a proper nude, but if you want, you can go for a proper nude as well. So this is the Faces Canada New Lipstick. This is Comfy Matte. The shade I'm going to use is number 11. It's a beautiful shade, as you can see. So this is the first shade which I'm definitely going to recommend, and you can see it looks very beautiful with the eye look, and yeah, you can pair it with any outfit you want. Next, I am going to use this Inside Cosmetics liquid lipstick. This is the non-transfer lip color. The shade I'm going to use is 08 Coral Dream. It's a beautiful fuchsia kind of a shade. So this is the second shade, and you can use any fuchsia shade you want. But this is very affordable and very good quality, so I'm definitely going to recommend this to you. And this is how it looks with a fuchsia shade. I think it's very pretty. What do you guys think? Alright, now for the third shade, I'm gonna mix these two from Inside Cosmetics. The shade I'm gonna mix is number 22 Autumn and number 09 Sunset Red. I'm gonna use number 22 on the outer corner and 09 on the inner part. So this is the final lip color. Now do let me know which color you like the most. I mean, what is your preference? अगर आपको ये look create करना है तो कौन से lip color के लिए आप जाओगे? So do let me know in the comment section below which one you like the most. Now thank you guys for watching this video. It really means a lot, and I'm gonna mention all the details down in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. And also give this video a big thumbs up if you like the tutorial, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share it with your friends and family. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys again very soon. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye bye.